Hi, I'm Rishabh P. Nair. I had brand and content for TIL Limited, and today we have with us Mr. Rajesh Wazarkar, the MD of Hyster India. Thank you so much for being with us, sir. Today I wanted to ask you just 2-3 interesting questions. The first one being, what's your favorite feature of the new TIL Hyster Restacker?
The new restacker that we have just introduced has a new cab which has a very good visibility. Also, it has a CAN bus spreader. Also, we have introduced, which simplifies the wiring harness and diagnostics of the truck as well.
You were there at the Kharagpur facility today. You looked at how TIL runs their business and the shop floor. What was your experience like, and how did you feel there?
I have been visiting this Kharagpur facility since November 2011, since its inaugurations. And I am really surprised that every time I visit there, I visit quite frequently to Kharagpur, and every time I see the same clean shop floors, very organized workflow. So I am really impressed. I think it is difficult to maintain the same organized flow for last 12 years, and I am really surprised at that, and I thank TIL.
Hats off to our plant team for that.
Hats off to your plant team.
TIL and Hyster have been in partnership for a long time. What do you envision the future of this partnership for?
I have been involved since this partnership started in 2008. So I was the first person who contacted TIL at that time and discussion started. So we have been always trying to leverage each other's strength to identify new opportunities and go further. I won't be able to tell you exactly what is our future looks like, but I'm sure we'll try to synergize on our strength and move forward.
And definitely bring in some exciting new things for
Yes,
customers.
definitely exciting new things, and we really believe TIL stands by Hyster's tagline, strong partner and tough trucks.